As bioscientists, we know that the rule of nature is to look for homeostasis. And that is exactly what we are doing when we are looking for a job. We all look for the stability in a job, and a government job provides just the same. Hi, this is Debarati Banerjee from Biotechnica, and in today's video I am here to share with you an exciting government job opportunity. Let me tell you that UPSC or Union Public Service Commission are accepting online recruitment applications. It is a high-pay government job with stability. So without any further ado, let's move into today's video. So let me first run you through what exactly we are going to discuss about in today's video. So firstly, I'm going to tell you a little bit about the post and the organization that you're going to apply in. Next, I'm going to tell you why you should apply for this position and what are the benefits that you are going to get on securing a position in this company. Next, I'm going to talk about the general conditions that an applicant needs to meet. Next, I'll be telling you about the pay scale, the qualification requirements that are needed for the applicant to meet the eligibility criteria, the application procedure, some minimum application fees that would be required, and I'll be also informing you about the deadlines. So let's get into it. So moving on, about the post, let me tell you a little bit. So as you can see in the screen, the post name is going to be Assistant Commissioner, Crops, and your primary responsibilities would include planning, implementation and monitoring of crop production, project formulation, and collection and compilation of information. You should check the link in the description below to know further about the posts. Next, let us move on to how many vacancies are there. So there are only 2 vacancies and the most eligible candidates would be selected for that. And there is a minimum age limit for the post as well. So the candidate has to be of 40 years or below in order to be eligible for this post. So let me tell you a little bit about the organization UPSC or Union Public Service Commission. So the headquarters are based in New Delhi with a liability to work all over India as well as abroad under the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Next, let me run you through about why you should apply in this post and what are the benefits that you're going to get once you secure a position. So firstly, you're going to get training and the work experience. So every recruit which are going to get this job are going to get a probation period of 1 year where they're going to be thoroughly trained and explained about the job and about further opportunities. Next, obviously, once you start working with the company and with the other individuals of the company, you will get more experience and more skills. And as you start working with the other more skilled and knowledgeable people in the industry, you will gain more insights about the industry. Next, obviously, as I said before, it's a high-pay job, so you're also getting the great monetary benefits. There is the government job stability as well as post-retirement benefits such as pension. There are also dearness allowances and increments. So let us move on to the general conditions for application. So as I said before, the candidate has to be of 40 years or below in age in order to apply for this job post. The candidate has to have an experience of at least 5 years as a government servant. There would be a probation period of 1 year where the candidate would be taught about the job as well as the other future opportunities. Only online applications are being accepted. And the age relaxation is there only for SC, ST and OBC provided that they produce the required documents. Let us move on to the pay scale. So as I said earlier, you'll have great monetary benefits. Initially, the pay scale will start from 67,700. Later, you will get increments as well as there would be dearness allowance applicable per month. Let us move on to the educational qualifications that a candidate has to have in order to apply for this job. So you can pause the screen and see what is written in the screen about the educational qualifications. So you have to have a master's degree in the mentioned subjects or you can have a bachelor's degree in agricultural engineering. Moving on to the experience requirements that the candidate needs to have in order to apply for this job. So, a master's degree holder has to have an experience of at least 3 years in the industry, and a person with a bachelor's degree has to have an experience of at least 4 years. Now, let me run you through the application procedure and the minimum application fees that are required. So you can check the link in the description below, which is exclusively available in the Biotecnika website, to know further about the application procedure. Only online applications are being accepted. The reservation details are available in the link, and there is a requirement of a registration fees of a minimum amount of ₹25, which is not refundable in any case. Further details of the payment procedure is given in the link below, so after watching this video, do check out the link in the description. Now, let me inform you about the deadlines. So, applications are being accepted only till 13th of January 2022. But if you're watching this video after the deadline has passed, you don't need to worry, because you can always download the Biotecnika official app to stay updated about latest jobs, exam alerts, admission alerts, internships, scholarships, CSIR Net and GATE coaching, as well as much more. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, do like it, share it with your friends and family, and to stay updated about all our uploads, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and this is Debarati Banerjee saying goodbye.